Welcome, today we're going to show you how to install Windows 11 using a USB flash drive. So the first thing that you need to do is to download the ISO file of Windows 11. So to do that, you need to first search for Microsoft Windows 11, as see from here, and you need to scroll down till you find the download Windows 11 disk image, as see from here. You need to choose the multi-edition, as see from here, it's the only one, and you need to click on confirm. So now you need to choose your language, as see from here, and hit on confirm again. After that, from here you need to click on download. It will now start downloading the disk image for Windows 11. So after the disk image is fully downloaded, all you need to do is now to download Rufus. So you need to search for Rufus and click on this link. So you need to scroll down as see from here and download the version of Rufus that you prefer. After that, as see from here, you need to open Rufus, and now you need to connect the USB flash drive onto your computer, and then you need to choose it from here. Also, you need to choose the Windows 11 image from here. After that, you need to click on start, and after that it will make a USB for Windows 11. So all you need to do now is to restart your PC. You need to click on restart and open the BIOS settings. After that, from the BIOS settings, you need to boot your flash drive, and now you can install Windows 11 using your USB flash drive. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.